Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Yahoo, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Yahoo, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.yahoo.com and press enter. Wait for the Yahoo homepage to load completely. On the top right corner of the page, you will see the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. In the field labeled email or phone, enter your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number. Once you've entered your email or phone number, click the Next button. Now, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password into the designated field. Ensure all information is entered correctly. If you want to stay signed in on this device, check the box next to Stay Signed In. After entering your password, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Yahoo account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, you can return to the login page to sign in with your new password. Once logged in, you can access your emails and other Yahoo services. Always remember to log out when using a public or shared device for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.